Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually upgrade your gear in Minecraft. You have to like in Minecraft, make sure that you are having Minecraft in your PC, opening it, and make sure that you have an enchantment table and any gear and some lapis lazuli if you have the latest version, or you don't need lapis lazuli if you have like the oldest Minecraft versions like the 1.5, the 1.6, and so. And also what you need is some XP, like the better XP you can get is the better chances you get the best enchantment. So what I really suggest that you have is a sponsor, not a sponsor, spawner XP, or what do you call it, some kind of XP farm. So after you have it, make sure now that you have your resetting table and your books around it, and it is on level 13 like so. So now how can you actually upgrade your items? Basically, let's get some items like that, like so, and all you're gonna need, just because I am on this creative mode, I can upgrade them without needing anything, but let's try to get some lapis lazuli, something like that. And now as you can see, here we can upgrade your items. For example, here we have looting 3, here we will have a blade of protection, here we will have protection 3, and try to get like whatever enchanting you get the best, you will take it. For example, I got the best one is the looting 3, so I will take it. Now let's see, I don't need this one, I don't really need this one, and I don't really need this one, so I will go for protection. Oh, this one is pretty good. Now let's go for this one, a breaking 3, diamond, a breaking 3 as well, and this one is a protection 3. Let's go for protection. Oh, this one is really cool, Aqua Infinity, I will take it. And this one will be a breaking 3 plus protection. Also, what we can do is upgrade our tools, like from shovel 54. This is a really perfect one. 64. This is really good. Let's upgrade our hoe first, and now let's upgrade our axe. So yeah, that's how you can actually upgrade your items or gear in Minecraft. So if you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.